So, you guys, your boy Keys. Currently, I have CMC Daily here. So, Bitcoin's ATH gone in a flash. So, live on Coinmarketcap's blog, Alexandria. So, we'll be reviewing this article by Connor Sefton. So, table of contents, we're looking at the biggest, best crypto news ever. What the news is happening, it's Bitcoin. Then we have BTC have upper hand over S&P 500. We have Twitter hires new leader for all crypto teams, carbon credit marketplace being built on Tezos. Then lastly, we have Ripple encourages finance firms to offer crypto trading. So you guys, we have CoinMarketCap's podcast here available on Apple Podcasts, Spotify, and Google Podcasts, guys. So it's been a crazy 24 hours for the crypto markets. Wednesday saw BTC raise to $69,000, a new record high. Hours later, a brutal crash happened. The world's biggest cryptocurrency rapidly sank to lows of $63,000. So it's difficult to pinpoint the exact reason for this pullback. Traders might be taking profits off the table, or it might be linked to Evergrande, the Chinese property developer on the brink of default. So guys, I'll be dropping the link so you can read more on most of these updates here. We also dropped video uploads on these content, so you can check our previous uploads. So does BTC, you can check them with the exact headings here. So does BTC have upper hand over S&P 500? So in recent years, a correlation has formed between cryptocurrencies and stocks. So if Wall Street crashes, BTC and ETH tend to suffer a similar fate. But Bloomberg's Mike McGlone believes the good music is starting to change. It points to how Bitcoin suffered a 50% pullback earlier this year before dusting itself up and surging to new ATH. So meanwhile, the S&P 500 index hasn't corrected by more than 10% since 2020. So on Twitter hires new leader, he said Jack Dorsey is driving Twitter further along the crypto adoption road, hiring an executive who will build a full crypto team. So I think that's a good one for social media creator Twitter, Jack Dorsey. We have a carbon credit marketplace, Tezos. So the University of Cambridge is building a decentralized carbon credit marketplace on the Texas blockchain. It is hoped this will help finance independently verifiable and accountable nature-based solutions supporting projects like rainforest conservation and reforestation. So Tezos was chosen because it doesn't use an energy-hungry proof-of-work consensus mechanism like Bitcoin. Better still, STZ is widely available on exchanges around the world. So Ripple encourages finance firms to offer crypto trading. It says that an international payments firm, Ripple, has announced a new product designed to give financial institutions an easy way to offer cryptocurrency trading to customers. The Ripple's liquidity hub is a turnkey backend solution that will provide enterprise clients with a groundbreaking new way for enterprises to easily and efficiently source digital assets from the broader crypto market. So this new infrastructure is going to be available for 2022. So guys, these are the news headlines for week run through for November, second week. So guys, if you find any of them helpful, find this update helpful, feel free to like, share, subscribe. We'll be dropping the links in the description box so you want to check them out. If you have any questions, feel free to let us know in the comments section. If you have any feedback, suggestions, we'll be live here to respond to you guys. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. We're giving our giveaway airdrop to our first 1,000 to 5,000 subscribers, so you want to be part of it. Peace out, guys. It's your boy Keys. Thanks for watching.